Good morning students. In the previous session we have completed question number 1 and question number 2 from practice set 42. Today we will start with question number 3 from practice set 42. So this is question number 3. The radius of a circular garden is 56 meter. What would it cost to put a 4 round fence around this garden at a rate of 40 rupees per meter? So the radius of a circular garden is given and we have to find out cost to put a 4 round fence around this garden at a rate of 40 rupees per meter. So first we will find out circumference of a circle. Why we will find out circumference of a circle? Because circumference of a circle is equal to 1 round fencing. Yes, because circumference is equal to perimeter of the circle, which is equal to put a 1 round fencing. So radius of a circular garden is given 56 meter. Then we will find out circumference of the circular garden. So let's start now. As you can see here in the solution, first we will write down radius of the circular garden, which is equal to 56 meter. Then circumference of the circular garden is equal to, which formula you will write down now? 2 pi r. Okay, you will not write down formula pi d because here radius is given, so you will use the formula 2 pi r. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Now we will put the values. As you can see here, 2 pi r, 2 multiplied by pi is 22 upon 7 multiplied by r, that is radius, is given in the question 56 meter. So we will put the values. 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by 56. Now 56 will get cancelled. 7 1s are 7, 7 8s are 56, right? 56 we will divide it by 7. So the answer is 7 8s are 56. So you will get the answer, that is 8. Now what is there in the numerator? 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 8. Now we will do the multiplication. 2 into 22 is 44, right? 2 multiplied by 22 is equal to 44 multiplied by, you will do, that is 8. So 8 4s are 32, 2 here, 3 carrying, again 8 4s are 32 plus 3, that is 35. So what is the answer? 352 meter. Now circumference is 352 meter, means for 1 round fencing we required 352 meter wire. Now length of the wire required to put 1 round fencing is equal to circumference, right? Circumference is equal to the wire which is required to put 1 round fence. Okay, but in the question we have to find out length of the wire required to put 4 round fencing. Then how you will find out for length of the wire which is required for 4 round fencing? Okay, we got the length of the wire for 1 round fencing. So how you will find out for 4 round? The answer which we have got here, that is 352 meter multiplied by 4. Okay, so as the next step is, length of the wire required to put a 4 round fencing is equal to 4 multiplied by circumference. 4 multiplied by circumference is 352 meter. Circumference is equal to length of the wire required to put 1 round fencing. Okay, so for 1 round fencing we required 352 meter wire. So for 4 round fencing, how much wire will be required? That is 352 multiplied by 4. Okay, so first we will write down length of the wire required to put 1 round fence is equal to circumference. Therefore length of the wire required to put 4 round fence is equal to 4 multiplied by circumference. Now the next step is, 4 multiplied by circumference is 352 meter. So you will do the multiplication. 4 into 352. So the answer is 1408 meter. You will do this multiplication in your notebook. 4 multiplied by 352. The answer is 1408 meter. Now how much wire required for the 4 round fencing? That is 1408 meter. Now in the question they are asked to find out cost of the wire which is required to put 4 round fencing. Now length of the wire we know, that is 1408 meter. So how you will find out cost of the wire? Cost of wire per meter is given, that is rupees 40. So for 1 meter the cost is 40 rupees. So for 1408 meter, what is the cost of the wire? So total cost is equal to length of the wire required multiplied by cost of the wire. Okay, how you will find out total cost? length of the wire required multiply by cost of the wire. So length of the wire required is equal to, yes, what is the total length of the wire? 1408 meter. Multiply by cost of the wire. What is the cost? Rupees 40. So 1408 multiply by 40. You will do this multiplication. Now I am doing it here. 1408 multiply by, in place of 40 I am writing it here 4. Once you will get the answer, you will put there 10. Okay, because I am writing it here 4 and here it is given 40. So we will add 10 in the answer. 4 8s are 32. We will write down 32 as it is because here it is 0. Then 4 4s are 16. 6 here 1 carrying. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. And we will add here 10 as we took here 4. So what is the answer? 56,320. So what is the cost of the wire to put 4 round fencing? That is 56,320. You will do this multiplication in your notebook. 1408 multiplied by 40. The answer is 56,320 rupees. Now you will write down unit, that is rupees, because we have calculated cost of the wire. Okay, so final statement is, therefore the cost to put a 4 round fence around the garden is rupees 56,320. Hope you are clear with this sum. Okay, once again we will revise this sum. Question number 3. In the question, radius of the circular garden is given, that is 56 meter. You will find out cost to put a 4 round fencing around this garden at a rate of 40 rupees per meter. So first we will find out circumference, because circumference of a circle is equal to 1 round fencing. Okay, so once you will get the circumference, you will multiply that circumference with 5. Okay, so circumference, we will, how you will find out circumference? The formula is 2 pi r, because radius is given. So now put the values. 2 multiplied by pi is 22 upon 7, multiplied by r is given 56. So 7 8s are 56. You will cancel this. 7 1s are 7, 7 8s are 56. So what we got here? 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 8. So the answer is 352 meter. Now 352 meter length of the wire is required for 1 round fencing. Now for 4 round fencing, how much wire required? Multiply this answer 352 by 4. So length of the wire required to put 4 round fencing is equal to 4 multiplied by circumference. So the next step is 4 multiplied by circumference is 352. So 4 multiplied by 352, answer is 1408 meter. So 1408 meter wire required for 4 round fencing. Now we will find out cost of the wire. How you will find out cost of the wire? Cost of the wire per meter is given rupees 40. Now we have to find out cost of the wire for 4 round fencing. And what is the length of the 4 round fencing? That is 1408 meter. So 1408 multiplied by 40. So the answer is 56,320 rupees. Therefore the cost to put a 4 round fence around the garden is rupees 56,320. First we will find out circumference of the circle. As the circumference of the circle is equal to 1 round fencing, so you have to find out for 4 round fencing. Then you will multiply circumference by 4. Okay, then after multiplication you will get the length of the wire for 4 round fencing, that you will multiply with the cost per meter which is given, that is 40. So the answer is 56,320 rupees. Now we will move to the next question. This is question number 3 from practice set 42. Now we will see question number 4 from practice set 42. Okay, this is question number 4. The wheel of a bullock cart has a diameter of 1.4 meter. How many rotations will the wheel complete as the cart travels 1.1 kilometer? Now the diameter is given, so you will find out circumference first using the formula pi d. Now you will not use the formula 2 pi r as diameter is given, so you will use the formula pi d. Okay, so let's start now. First, diameter of the wheel of the bullock cart is given 1.4 meter. Then circumference of the wheel of the bullock cart is equal to pi d. C, that is circumference, is equal to pi d. Pi is 22 upon 7 and d is 1.4, which is given in the question. So C is equal to 22 upon 7 multiplied by 1.4. So 1.4 we will cancel, 7 ones are 7, and here it is 0.2, 7 twos are 14, right? Here it is given 1.4, so the answer is 0.2, right? So you will do this, 1.4 divided by 7, the answer is 0.2. So what is there in the numerator? 22 multiplied by 0.2. 22 multiplied by 0.2, the answer is C is equal to 4.4 meter. As you can see here, 22 multiplied by 0.2. 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4. Here it is 0. So we will not do this multiplication. Decimal point after one digit from right hand side. So the answer is 4.4 meter. Okay. Now this is circumference. What else is given? How many rotations will the wheel complete as the car travels 1.1 kilometer? Distance travel is given, that is 1.1 kilometer. We have to find out number of rotations. Now we will see the next step. Okay. So distance covered in one rotation is equal to circumference of the wheel. Distance covered in one rotation is equal to circumference. Okay. What is the circumference? That is 4.4 meter. Now we will find out number of rotations. So for number of rotations, there is one formula, that is number of rotations is equal to distance covered upon circumference. What is the formula? Number of rotations is equal to distance covered upon circumference. Distance covered, that is given in the question, 1.1 kilometer. Okay. So we will put the values. Distance covered is equal to 1.1. And what is the circumference? Circumference we got, that is 4.4 meter. Now as you can see here, distance covered is given in kilometer and circumference is in meter. So we will convert this kilometer into meter. Now as you can see here in the bracket, I have written 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 1.1 kilometer is equal to, what is the answer? We will multiply 1.1 by 1000. Okay, we have to convert this into meter. So we will multiply this by 1000. So 1.1 multiplied by 1000. So the answer is C here. 1.1 kilometer we have to convert this into meter. So we will multiply this by 1000. So the answer is 1.1. We will write down here 1, 2, 3 zeros here. That we will write down. Then decimal point after one digit from right hand side. So the answer is 1100.0 meter, as you can see here. Okay. Why we are convert this kilometer into meter? Because the other unit, the circumference, is in meter. So we will convert this distance covered in meter. Okay. So 1.1 kilometer is equal to how much meter? That is 100.0 meter. So the next step is, hope you are clear till here. What is the formula to find out number of rotations? That is distance covered upon circumference. Distance covered is given in the question, that is 1.1 kilometer, and circumference we got, that is 4.4 meter. So 1.1 kilometer divided by 4.4 meter. Now 1 unit is given in meter, 1 unit is in kilometer. So you will convert this kilometer into meter. How you will convert kilometer into meter? Multiply it with by 1000. Okay, so 1.1 multiplied by 1000, the answer is 1100 meter. Okay, now both the units, both the numbers, both the quantities are in meter. Okay, distance covered and circumference. Now we can do the division. The next step is 1100, that is 1100 meter upon 4.4 meter, right? Now the next step is, as you can see, a 1100 meter upon 4.4 meter. Now we will remove this decimal point and we will add 1 0 here. Why we will add 1 0? Because after decimal point there is only one number. So we will remove this decimal point of 4.4 and we will put here 1 0 in the numerator. So the next step is 11,000 divided by 44. Understood this step? As we are removing the decimal point from the denominator, we will put here 1 0 in the numerator. Why we will put only 1 0? As you can see here, after decimal point there is only one number. Okay, so once we are removing this decimal point, we will write down 10 in the numerator. Okay, so 1100 it becomes 11,000, and 11,000 divided by 44. Okay, as we are removed decimal point, so it becomes 44 now. So 11,000 divided by 44. Now we will do this division. Okay, we'll make the table for 44. Okay, 44 ones are 44, 44 twos are, or you can do first this both the numbers by 2, that is 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10, 1 remaining, again 2 fives are 10, here 0 and 0. Now both the numbers again we will divide these numbers by 22, 22 ones are 22, 22 twos are 44, right? So here it is 55 minus 44. The answer is 11, and here these are the two zeros. Now again we can divide 22 fives are, that is 110, and this 0 as it is. So the answer is 250. Okay, we will do this division. First we will divide both the numbers by 2. Once again I will show this division. 11,000 divided by 44, right? Both the numbers are divisible by 2. 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4. Here it is 2 fives are 10, 11 minus 10, that is 1 is remaining, again 2 fives are 10, and 2 zeros as it is. Now we got here 5,500 upon 22. Now we can divide these numbers by 22. 22 ones are 22, 22 twos are 44. Okay, so the answer is C. 22 twos are 44, 55 minus 44, 11 remaining, and this 0 is remaining, that is 110. So 22 fives are 110, and this 0 as it is. Okay, we will do this. 22 multiply by 5, that is 110. Okay, so the answer is 250. When we will divide 5,500 by 22, you will get the answer 250. So what is the answer here? That final answer is 250. So the number of rotations, the wheel of the bullock cart will complete 250 rotations as the cart travels 1.1 kilometer. Hope you are clear with this. You will do this division in your notebook. Okay. So once again we will see this sum. The diameter is given. First you will find out circumference. How you will find out circumference? That is formula pi d, 22 upon 7 multiply by d, that is 1.4. So the answer is circumference is 4.4 meter. Then you will find out number of rotations. What is the formula to find out number of rotations? Number of rotations is equal to distance covered upon circumference. So what is distance covered is given in the question, 1.1 kilometer. And what is the circumference? That is 4.4 meter. Now circumference is in meter and distance covered is in kilometer. So distance covered is in kilometer, that we will convert it into meter. How you will convert 1.1 kilometer into meter? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 1.1 kilometer is equal to 1.1 multiplied by 1000. So the answer is 1100 meter. Now as both the quantities are in meter, we can do division. So 1100 divided by 4.4. Now in the denominator there is decimal point. So we can remove the decimal point and we can add 1 0 in the numerator. So the next step, that is 11,000 divided by 44. Now you will do this division. 11,000 divided by 44. Both the numbers first divisible by 2. Then again you can divide these numbers by 22. So the answer is 250. So the number of rotations, as the number of rotations to complete the distance, that is 1.1 kilometer, that is 250 rotations. How much distance we have to cover? 1.1 kilometer. So how many rotations we require? that is 250 rotations. Okay, hope so you are clear with this sum. You will practice these sums in your notebook. Okay, so we will stop till here today. In the next session we will start with the next practice set. Thank you so much.